What's up, Chove? What's Gucci, man? How's you doing, big dog? Nice to see you here. Whoa, why is YouTube taking so long to load right now? Also, is my internet dying? Hello? So kind of fucked. What do you mean? Are you good? Are you gonna be all right? What? Wait a minute. No, dude. No, 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 no. That is not good news. That is not good news. Chove, no. Are you gonna be able to come back at all? Like, do you know what the process is gonna be like from now on? Or like from here on out? Dude, I'm so sorry to hear that. That is awful. Oh, okay, okay. At least you can come back. But dude, fucking A. That is crazy. Okay, you look, I'm glad you have your options and you got it. You're getting it fleshed out, but dude, I'm so sorry to hear that. What's up, True? Is October? Fuck, man, dude, I'm so sorry to hear that, Jove. Fuck, when do you have to leave? Oh man, that is not the news I wanted to hear today. Not the news I wanted to hear today. Until March 17th, so I'm chilling for a bit. Okay, all right, that's good. That is good. But fuck, man, I'm so sorry. Got a tourist visa though, so I can travel to the States. Okay, sick. So it's not like, I mean, but the fact that you lost your job though, like, fuck, man. What's up, Ray? What's good? I haven't seen your name in a long time. How have you been? Also, is my mic too loud? I don't know if it's just me. But if it's too loud, I can turn it down. R Garduno, hello, hello, welcome in, welcome in. Also, I don't know if my intermission screen should be this or if it should just be me. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Data science and chilling? Hell yeah. What are you using to study data science right now? What was I about to look up? Oh yeah. Because Quarter Jade does a VODs channel and I want to see what she does for her stream. Yeah, she just has as a full cam. Oh, college gives me free Coursera. Oh, okay, nice, nice. Did I post on Instagram that I'm live? I did not. Give me uno momento. Oh shit, that's as a reel. The fuck? How's everyone else doing today? Oh, Abdi, Dark Dub, Lil Freezy. What's good? What's good? How How you been, little chow wow? I've been good. I've been chilling. Very busy with work stuff. Um, Very busy with work stuff and just trying to find my ways this year. You know, with YouTube, with Twitch, or well, Twitch has always been a thing. Um, Twitch, TikTok, work. Work's a big one, especially right now since I mean, if you can't tell with the title, we're making a free CodeCamp course, which will be the extent of all the coding streams right now. Is building out the demos, learning what it is that needs to be learned in order to make this course happen. And I want to do it live since, you know, why not? It'll be fun. It'll be fun for all of us to hang out. Like, you know, we'll all help each other learn stuff. And I mean, like, I feel like being transparent about all this stuff is really cool, especially with the process of building a course, because I've never done one. So it'd be really cool to get other people's opinions and things like that. And since freeCodeCamp is open source, it's like, might as well make this whole thing open source. Am I right? Love the background. Did you make that or get it from somewhere? Background. Oh, are you talking about for the like the actual animations and stuff? I got it from what's it called? What's it called? Streamlabs. Streamlabs. Yeah. How long does it take to get good at JS? It takes quite some time. But I mean, if you're a fucking genius, then not a long time. I love it when you're doing freeCodeCamp. Yeah. What's good, Jeremiah? Dang, you code so good. Nah, not even, bro. Not even. I don't code like you. I don't code like you. Shit, I don't even code at all. I'm a phony. I'm a big fat phony with a capital PH. With a capital PH, bruh. I'm a front-end dev student who recently began with learning JavaScript. Just keep at it, man. Honestly, I wouldn't put a timetable on yourself, or a time, like, yeah. I wouldn't put a constraint on yourself. Like, if it takes you a year, it takes you a year. If it takes you shorter time, it takes you a shorter amount of time. Like, that's totally fine. Only use HTML, CSS for the past 6 months, and I think that's good. It's so bored or broad. How do I know what to learn? Honestly, just like if you're following YouTube courses and stuff like that, they'll give you a great pathway and roadmap of things that you should actually learn, and like stuff that you should actually take a look at. Like, that's essentially all you really need to do. There's so many things in JS to learn. Yeah, but here's the thing. Here's the thing you have to remember is that you're never gonna be done with learning. So, I mean, you're not gonna learn everything. You kind of just learn as you go. So don't even put that in your mind that you're just not gonna know everything. Blah blah blah. Like you won't. So just keep working, keep grinding, and you'll be good. Always continue education. Exactly. Continued education. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. Also, at what level in your software career would you say you are? Very early, to be honest. Very, very early in my career. I'm only 2 years in right now, I think, because I started in 2021. So yeah, it'll be my 2 years. Wait, yeah, it'll be my 2 years in tech, in March. So, I'm very early, very, very early, and still learning a ton. I get my slice of humble pie quite a bit. At what level in your? Oh, and I already answered that. That's what I already read that. God damn it! What's up, Mr. Boosh? How are you, big dog? Chow, I forgot the hot news. I'm beginning a new job in 2 days as a software developer. Hey, congrats, Abdi. Congrats. I don't have a soundboard with me right now, but congrats. That's huge. That's huge. That is awesome. That is awesome. My 1 year here at Airbyte, I almost said Plaid like I still work there. My 1 year at Airbyte is March 14th, so good stuff. Good stuff. Don't want to leave the house and drive home. Oops, I accidentally clicked that page. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Well rested, very well rested. Did some work today, this AM. Posted a little meme short on the Works channel. And now we're getting into some of the Gucci stuff, you know what I'm saying? Get into some of the juicy stuff. We're building a free CodeCamp course. Also, I should probably change this if I'm going to be recording this live, right? So let's do this. Let's take this out. Now, let's make the webcam. I think this is a better intermission, like, thing anyways, right? Like, just me being the full screen, though. Oops. Hold on. Actually, let me do this. Can I duplicate? Yeah, I can duplicate. The fuck? Sure, I'll do that. And then we're gonna take this out. We're gonna transform this and fit the screen. How's everybody? You out in SF? I'm an hour away from SF. But everybody's good. I just posted a short for my job. Look at us go. Look at us. Look at us. But everybody's good. A ton of great people making really good moves, learning a ton of just everything that has to do with data engineering. So, you know, it's a constant grind, but I love the grind. I love the hustle. I love the fact that I get to learn something new every single day. So it's a ton of fun. And I'm just trying to figure out, you know, like best ways to get a grip of everything, right? B-Man3, thank you for the 13 months. 13 months, B-Man. Sheesh. That's a long ass streak, if you ask me. Long ass motherfucking streak, if you ask me. Good God. Good God. So yeah, the developer advocate stuff is good. And I'm just doing personal brand stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm so busy at work. Oh no, it's one of those Mondays, huh? Sean, right now. What's good, Sean? What's good? All right, I'm gonna drive home, I guess. All right, Boost, drive safe, my man. Drive safes. I love Jordan's vid. I gotta edit day in the life tonight. Yo, true, you busy. Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Also, honestly, I think this is a much better intermission screen than what I had before. Like, this is just so much better. Plus, if I'm recording, like, I would rather it be here than on the little screen. The animation was cool, but like, this is just so much better. Also, let me just pop my juvie real quick, you know what I'm saying? Damn, your cam is clean. Like Mr. Clean, thank you, I appreciate it. I'm using my old camera that I used to do photography and video with. Also, the lens that's on it is just crisp as hell. I need to take more photos with it. That's really Mewtwo. That is the real Mewtwo. That is the real Mewtwo. Also, if none of y'all are following hers, you should definitely follow her, because she is one of the dopest people I've ever met. Oh shit, what the fuck? Do you see that? Oh shit. It's better / shout out. Oh my God. Where have I been? Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty wetskis if you ask me, dude. Sheesh. Look at Twitch growing. Look at Twitch growing. She's a much better streamer than I am, but you should definitely check her out, especially if you want more technical content, because your boy doesn't know shit. I haven't played Val in months. My PC crapped itself and been busy with work. How's the new map? Honestly, I haven't been playing either. I'm not gonna lie to you. I haven't played in months. I tried playing a couple weeks ago, and I placed last twice in DM, so I stopped playing. So yeah, there's that. But I've been playing a lot of Overwatch 2, a lot of Final Fantasy Online, a lot of Call of Duty. So I've been active still. I've been very active. All right. You stream more than well, Jordan's retired. Let me guess. Raze or Sova main? Actually, none of those. I play none of those characters. Or none of those agents. Is Mac M2 8 gig 256 good for front end? If you could try to get the 16 gigs of RAM, I'd do it, but yeah, why not? I think M2 is pretty good. I think M2 is great. You have any review videos for the Dyson vacuums, Chow? No, but I would love if Dyson were to send one out. I was in talks to get one, but it never really fell through, so I don't know what's happening with that. Also, for anybody here, I don't think I have commands for it, so I can just show you guys. I have 2 channels. One has been live for a little bit, and this one just went live a couple days ago. Chow codes VODs and then Chow plays. So this is where all my Twitch VODs are now going to live. So like, for example, this VOD is going to go directly there once we're done. And then this is just my gaming channel. Shameless plug, but if you guys want to follow, this is the VODs channel and this is the gaming channel. So hit your boy up on any of those channels. But yeah, if you want any of the VODs, they'll all go directly to this channel. Because I think it's like after 14 days, it goes away. So there's that. But anyways, let's get into the building stuff for freeCodeCamp. So at Airbyte, which is the company I work for those of y'all that don't know, we're primarily data eng, obviously. Data integration, data ingestion is the ELT, ETL pipeline stuff. That's what we deal with. And so I'm making a course on exactly that. It's kind of like data engineering as a whole. So this is like the syllabus that we kind of threw together, and I had some coworkers like go over, and this is what we're going to kind of do. Very high level stuff. I don't know if I'm going to get too detailed, but obviously as we go, we're going to learn a lot of this stuff and actually put it into practice. I need to like go over some freeCodeCamp stuff and see how they're doing it. Because again, I've never made a course before. So like this is all very, very new to me. And yeah, I'm just going to be learning as we go. And I think that's like the whole purpose of me streaming this, is because I get to learn in public. You get to learn a little bit, and we all get to make a course together, kind of as an open source type deal. So I think what we're going to do, it's not for beginners / noobs. No. So prerequisite stuff. Well, if it's not really, there we go. So like prerequisites should definitely be like, you should have Python basics down. I think that's really like it. Like you really just need to know Python. Everything else will kind of teach you. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not really teaching Python, since I'm pretty sure like freeCodeCamp has this one. So Python for everybody. It literally teaches you the basics of Python, and I took this already. It's pretty good. You should definitely learn it if you don't know Python already, and get into that. Dude, why am I so fucking cold? I don't understand. I really just don't understand. You just icy, bruh. Shee. You just icy. But anyways, gas bills in California are skyrocketing too. I mean, everything in California is skyrocketing. What isn't? What isn't, if we're being honest? Am I right? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. The first thing that we need to record and kind of script out, I might be using ChatGPT a little bit here too, just to save some time. I'm not going to use all of the prompts that it generates, or the scripts that it generates, but I'll use it as a starting point. It's kind of like the beginning here. So we need to go over like industry demand. I just realized that you probably won't be able to see some of this. because of my webcam. Oh, you know what? I should probably go live screen, huh? If I go live screen, keep it here, and then move it to like here. I think this is the best move, huh? Okay. If this is too annoying, if people don't like the layout, just let me know. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go over this stuff, right? Whoa. Like this stuff right here. So like industry demands, comp plus business potential kind of apps that you can make. Just to give like a kind of premise as to why people would want to become a data engineer. What's the benefits? Why you should take this course? Things like that. So we can load up. Actually, no, not right now. I don't need it right now. We can just do some initial research as to that, and then I'm gonna start a Notion board. Isn't there a way that you can actually make like what's it called? You can make on Notion, you can have a thing where there's like a progress bar, right? Isn't that a thing? Does anyone know if you can actually do that? I feel like that was a thing, but I just don't remember. I like that you have explanations of different roles. I mean, yeah, it's just to have a better like understanding of like what goes on with different roles. Learning coding. Yeah, you 100% should. I don't remember how to set it up. Is it easy, Preston? Like, do you know if it was super easy to? If it isn't, then I'm not gonna do it. What would I use it for? You can use it for to-do lists. I use it like this. So these are all my video scripts. And these are all individual pages. So like I don't know, like let's go to like this one. Like this is just my script, and then like you can go out, and this is more of like a step back view of like everything. This is another one that I had that has like code samples, so you have that built in. I still need to record this. I totally forgot about this. Where GF? Huh? Where GF? What are you talking about? Like where's girlfriend? I don't have one. Um there's plenty of other like there's like tasks. I'm right here. What the heck? What the heck? Y'all weird as hell. But yeah, there's like a lot of things you can do with Notion. There's like templates that you can are these shareable? You can definitely share them. These are like this is an organization Notion, so like I can share it to the web. I can share it with people within the organization, or if I open it up and copy the link, then anyone can access it. There's a lot of uses for Notion. I think you can even make websites with Notion, and that's not a cap. You've got to look into it. For tracking job apps, stages of interview. Yeah. A lot of stuff you could do with it. So like the text heading, bullets, tables, call outs, web bookmarks, code, file, table view. So I can create a Kanban board. Notion is goated. Yeah, I feel like I haven't actually used it at its fullest potential. Use light mode as a developer equals said every real developer. So actually I'm using the web portion. I think on the app that I use on my Mac, since I'm not on my MacBook right now, it's actually set to, what's it called? It's set to dark mode already. Create a timeline database view. Where's my data source? Ooh. See, like, this is kind of cool. I'm so bad. It makes me feel like shit. I mean, I'm bad with it too. I'm just like learning stuff. Learning how to use it at least. Board, timeline. I just don't know. Like, I want to create, like, when people who played Animal Crossing have like the nicest islands and mine looks like shit. Yo, that's what I'm saying. It's just like those people are a different breed. I'm not even going front. Like literally, they are a different fucking breed of people. I envy the people who actually are able to make things look so organized and nice, because I am like just physically and mentally incapable of doing that. Now I can't undo it. Oh, here we go. What? I can't delete it? Can I delete the table, dude? I don't want to redo this thing. Oh no. No. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it because I don't know how to do it. Okay. I definitely think I want to create a Kanban board. New database. Okay. So like there's this, right? To do intro. These are all the people in my work. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so let's do delete. Great content on IG and YouTube. Hey, thanks, Pizza. I appreciate that, dog. Appreciate that. Yeah, I've been trying a lot on the TikToks and the Instagrams, all that to like, I mean, I need the algorithm to notice that my content's changing right now, and that I'm doing a little bit more personalized content, and getting it in front of the right folks. So it's gonna take some time. I'm gonna have low views for a little bit, but it's all right. It's all right. We just moving with the times. You feel what I'm saying? We just moving with the motherfucking times. You got this? Thanks, dog. Thank you. All right, so we gotta record the intro, and then record the Y of data eng. Obviously, it's just gonna be assigned to me. So record intro is gonna be in progress. This is just to keep myself accountable. And then I think we're gonna have a section here for scripts. And then this is going to turn into trying to see what else we can get in here. What's up, Whippich? Pivoting niches is grueling. Dude, it's so grueling. It is so hard. And it's like mentally taxing too, because you're like having a lot of fun, but you know that the people that used to watch you for whatever you were posting before to now is just like, it doesn't convert. So you're like now trying to get the algorithm to pick up on new keywords or new content that you're not used to. So it's still trying to figure out like what your channel's about. So it's a hard pivot process, but I'm like slowly getting there, I think. I'm definitely slowly getting there. But we'll get there. We'll get there. It's just hard. It's just fucking hard. Intro. So we're gonna do intro scripts. I really have to pee. So I'll actually be right back. Hold on. All right. I'm like curious to see. Okay, so if we go to freeCodeCamps. Also, really quick, by the way, thank you for the 100K on this video. Honestly, like the support on this has been insane. Also, I think I know what's causing this weird issue. I think that's it. I think the noise that I was hearing should be gone. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so it is gone. And this cable doesn't help. Sick, dog. Sick. 100K. God damn, popping off. Thanks for the stretch check. Oh, I needed that. Yes. But 100K, dude. 100K on this video, absolutely goated. Are you a fan of your headset? Looking for a comfy, good headset I can wear all day for music? Oh, this is it. It's not that expensive. It's the what's it called? It's the HD58X Jubilee from Sennheiser. Absolute poggers. Yeah, it hit 100K and it's still growing. It's still growing. It's my third most popular video on the YouTubes. Yeah. No, fourth. It's on track to getting higher though. On track to getting higher, and I'm really pumped about it. So it's cool. And then this one hit 3K, so kind of a flop, but still did pretty good. With my recent activity, these videos started growing a little bit, and then this one got up to 4. So it's really nice. Thank you all for the support. I've been really doubling down on my YouTube, posting some shorts and stuff. Obviously, like not doing too well since I'm like still trying to figure out what the hell like YouTube Shorts is doing and what is going to work here, but whatever. But let's go to freeCodeCamp. I want to see what their courses are going to look like. Like how people are doing these, because I need a reference. Juvie check. What flavor today? Shit, bruh. Kiwi strawberry, bruh. Kiwi strawberry all day. Oh, wait. Wrong intermission screen. I gotta change my stream deck now to replicate. Kiwi strawberry. Alright, let me do this whole makeup thing. If y'all haven't checked out Juvie, y'all gotta go do it. I need flavor reviews. I need to know that you bought it because you saw it from me. I don't have a code, but you need to do it, especially if you got Bevmo. But Kiwi strawberry is the fucking goat. Shit's the goat. I like that. I actually like that a lot. Juvie check. While I'm here, I should probably do this real quick. Juvie check is such a good, like, I don't know. That's just sick. I like that. Okay, so now this should be my new intermission screen. All right, bet. So it's weird. I had like this weird static noise in the back of my mic, and it's because of the LEDs around my desk. And now that I turn them off, it's gone. And it kind of pisses me off that it does that, but we're okay. All right, so let's see. Let's just
master the HTTP networking protocol in this hands-on course. HTTP is the backbone of the modern web. And this course is a deep dive into all the fundamentals you'll need to know to master web networking. Lane Wagner created this course. Lane is a senior back-end engineer and is the creator of boot.dev, where he has published many interactive courses.
Hey, free code campers. Welcome to my latest course on web networking, and specifically the HTTP protocol. In this course, we'll be doing over 80 coding exercises, and at the end, we're going to build a web crawler in JavaScript from scratch.
Actually, so you know what? Now that I think about it, it might be worth recording the intro after this course has been built, right? Because then I'll have a better sense of like what they'll be going through. Right? Like that makes sense. I think. Also, is he wearing the same shirt every single time? Yeah, he's not. Okay, so that's different. That's different. That's a different shirt. Still same shirt. So he really sweated during these couple chapters. This one's different. Okay. All right. Dude, imagine recording a freeCodeCamp course one day. One day. Through one whole day. No shot, dog. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Okay, so what we're gonna do then is we're not gonna record the intro. I'm just gonna build out this board to like kind of keep myself accountable, as well as keep track of what needs to be built. So 12-hour stream. I mean, 12-hour stream. I've done a 24 already. A 12-hour stream is nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I say that, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna do 12 hours, because it's like it's uncomfortable to stream for 12 hours unless someone wants to like cook for me and like bring me food, you know. If that could be arranged, I'm down. But aside from that, absolutely not. Okay, so let's get this in order. So we're gonna move this. So creating a simple data pipeline with Airflow from Postgres to Snowflake. Now introduce EL tool. Okay, so this they want me to do. So intro to Docker. Okay, chat. I need your cooperation here. I need for those of the lurkers to pay attention really quickly. So what we're doing with this course, right? So as I mentioned, you're going to need some Python basics. So we're pointing people over to the Python for Everybody from freeCodeCamp. Does going into Docker seem off? Like your initial course, or like, you know, what you go into first is Docker. Would that make sense, or would some preliminary knowledge on data engineering make more sense? I'm trying to target people who are looking to get into data engineering. So, like, there's that. It's been a while, Mr. Joe. What's up, Serial? How are you? It's workflow. Yeah. Is containers a critical step in the process? Why? Yes. It is, just because, like, especially for like us at Airbyte, spinning up containers for your tools and just like segmenting or abstracting a lot of the different aspects of like your ETL pipeline and things like that is kind of crucial. And it's like not just for local dev, but like especially since we're dealing with a lot of cloud, or data engineers typically are using a lot of cloud services to run their apps and their tooling. It's kind of important to know Docker. So we need to know how to use Docker in order to like spin up the isolated environments for these tools in order to talk to each other. Because think of all these different platforms. So for example, you're going to have your like, if we're talking about like modern data stack, you have your data ingestion tool, you have your data transformations, you have your like your orchestrator, things like that, like Airflow. So you have 3 different tools. So you have Airbyte, DBT for your transformations, and then Airflow. You want all of those to be segmented so that way like the logic is like in that container and then talk to each other through the network. What's the minimum viable way to set up a data eng project? I mean, essentially spinning up like all your tools locally without Docker, right? I think they're best practice. Like containers are definitely best practice for data engineers, especially if you want. Like, yeah, I knew you meant convenient, but like convenient / best practice, like 100%. But I think they're both. I think they're both necessary and convenient because in the workforce, like everybody's using Docker. As much as people don't like Docker, or some people don't like Docker, like I think it's a must know for data engineers. With the amount of tools that they're working with and things like that, like they need to know it. Yeah, so I'm not getting into the benefits of data engineering. Obviously, like I probably should. Like the intro can be recorded later. I think why data eng can be recorded now, because we can obviously do that research now. I think where it is located now is good, but just introduce the user to what it is they're getting into. A small introduction to data engineering would benefit. Yeah, 100%. 100%. What's up, Froyo? What's up, Froyo? I like the name. I like the name. How you doing? How you doing? First time chat. Hey, handsome. What's up, Holland? What's good, homie? How are you, bruh? OG in the house. How's the streaming and the content creation going? I see you've been working. Dude, I need like a sweater or something. Like I actually can't take this right now. Low-key been following for a while? Oh shit. What made you break the ice? 6 months and 7 days, 5 hours. It took you this long to say something? Not even a hi? I'm just kidding. It's fun. Good. Look, that process should always be fun. It'll get hard, but it's gonna be fun. Chronic lurkers. It sounds fine then as long as it doesn't derail so far from data engine. No, everything that is on this pertains to. It has a specific flow in my head, right? It has a specific flow of like why it's here and how it leads into other things. Damn, almost 6 years. Dude, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've been on Twitch for a long time. I've been on Twitch for such a long time, but damn, 6 years. My goodness. Goodness gracious. That's why I said OG in the house. I think I joined and followed when I first started coding and then took a break from Twitch. Oh, okay. Understandable. Look, good excuse. Good excuse. Maybe not an excuse, an actual reason. I'll take it. I'll take it. You did good. You did good. You got off Twitch so you could focus on building. I understand. I understand. No harm, no foul. We boys. We boys. I got it. I got it. We good. You hooked me up with the goated advice though? Oh shit, did I? What'd I say? Shit. But yeah, everything is here for a reason. So it's like we'll go over Docker, and then once we learn Docker, we're gonna spin up, like like we're gonna use Docker to spin up like our local environments with Python. We're gonna spin up a Postgres database within Docker, so we need to know how to do that. And then going over the basic commands of SQL somehow. And then we get into analytical engineering. So dbt is the tool that I mentioned. We're gonna use that, put it in its own container. And then once we know like these fundamentals and basics, then we go into more data engineering specific stuff. So like NumPy, pandas, building a data pipeline with these tools, transforming with dbt, BI visualization with Superset, batch processing, streaming data, putting it all together. So it all comes together at some point. I asked you something about a project that was like React, MySQL, Docker, Kubernetes, etc., and you told me I was doing too much for a project that didn't actually need it. Oh, look at me go! Oh my god! Look! Oh, okay, that's where it's coming from. It's from my headset. So I gotta be careful of that. Is it really that loud? Oh yeah, it's coming through. That's why I hate streaming with open back headsets, is because the echo is kind of crazy. I wonder if I should bring back my closed back headsets. Hold on. All right, let's see if this is better. I mean, obviously, I don't know why, but it's quieter with these headsets, and it's only, these are the 80 ohms. I wonder if I need to get ones that are not high ohms. I don't know, but these are definitely quieter, and I don't know if I like it. But damn, look at me go with that fucking advice, dude. I'm goated. M2 max out, will you upgrade? I want to, but like I wanted to do a video on that because I don't have the M2s, obviously. Like if you have an M1, I have an M1 max, I don't see a need to upgrade. Like I feel the only reason, especially if you have an M1 right now, like if you are pushing M1, especially M1 max to its absolute limit, then yes, I think M2 is a good upgrade. If you're not, I think M1 is more than enough. But if you're coming from Intel based Macs, then I think you should either do one of two things. Look into deals on M1 MacBooks, or just send it and get the M2s for future proofing yourself. So that's my take. Maybe to have the latest and greatest, but I don't think it's necessary unless you really need the GPU. The most things still aren't optimized enough yet. Exactly. Like, there are people out there, and I know a couple, that I know a lot of people that want the latest and greatest technologies, and like, more power to them. If that's what they want, then that's what they want. What are you going to do to stop them, right? But it's not necessary at the end of the day. Not necessary at all. Especially in today's market, like, we should be saving money. I don't know why this headset sounds so bad. Like, is there a setting in the Go XLR menu that I need to turn on to like have my headset not sound like this? Because it actually sounds, unless it's my headset, maybe it's the headset. Like maybe my headsets are actually bad. I'm actually not sure. Do be the move. It do be the move. It do be the move, especially right now. Especially right now. Get it for the color. I'm sure you could buy like the color matching MagSafes. They'll make them available later, right? Like that. You got to when you're Apple. You have to. All right. So let's go over, like, let's create Y data. Actually, one real quick. All right. I have MagSafe case for my portable charger. Do you really? I've always wanted, you know that, what's that one thing? It's like you can buy it and you coil your charger up and it like doesn't tangle your cable. Like I've always wanted that. Genuinely, I've always wanted that. Okay, there is a good. All right, let's just ask Chat GPT. Let's see what it comes up with. What the hell? What do you mean? This is why I need. There you go. I need ChatGPT Pro, dude. I want it so badly. It involves the process of collecting, storing, processing, and analyzing large amounts of data. Making. You know, I don't know why, but this headset's bothering me. Hold on, give me a sec. Where did I put that headset, man? I had another headset somewhere. I just want to test this out because I feel like this headset is broken. All right. Oh, I think my headset's broken. Because this sounds better. Huh. Maybe it's time to get a new headset. I don't know. This is my older headset, but this is a 250 ohm headset. Huh. No idea. No idea. Oh, that's what I meant to check. Oh, maybe it's not the headset. Because now it's starting to sound the same. Fuck. What's up, DigitalOcean? How are you? All right. Allows businesses to optimize data towards usability. So I'm gonna have a small notes section. I want to hear my music. I'm sorry. All right, there we go. I have to make sure I don't like get too close to the mic then, right? I think. Okay, so that is something that I do want to touch on. Um, Outside of scripts, we want resources. So, well, first, I don't really want to copy link address. Oh, I like this. I actually really, really like this. That diagram is really good. What the hell? That's actually a cool 404 page. Um, I want to get this. Data engineering activities source Eckerson group. So I can give the same. I can just give them credit for this diagram. I think so like why data eng, what did I write in the thing? So industry demand. This is the cool thing about ChatGPT. If I don't want to read the whole thing, I can have it summarize it for me. By turnover, like it says leading to a high rate of data scientist turnover. Turnover, that just means like data scientists leaving, right? Like when they're referring to a company's turnover rate, that's like how often people are leaving the company. I don't use this method enough with ChatGPT, bro. So smart. Yes. Yes, it's so good. Coming and going. Okay. So if there's a high turnover rate, then that's not good because there's a lot of data scientists coming in and going. Revolving door. Yeah. Okay. And high turnover is typically like frowned upon. Like you don't want that. I need to get a reminder to get better closed back headphones. High failure rate in big data projects. What was the percentage that we were saying? So 85 to 87%. Scientists. The digital transformation, IoT, and the race to become AI driven has made it clear that companies need data engineers to process. Is that another gaming setup behind you? Sorry, don't mean to snoop. No. Back there is my productivity setup. Right now, what I'm on is my streaming and gaming setup. So I have two different setups. But right now I'm on the gaming one. There's no gaming that's happening over there. The only other gaming that you could probably make an argument for is like the living room is another gaming setup since my PS5 is there. But I have plans to move it here because I'm going to be streaming like single player games and stuff, and I'll be playing some of them on PS5. How many setups do you need, bro? Dude, I need all the setups, dude. My productivity setup is like plays two roles. It's like my productivity setup plus my YouTube. I mean, essentially my whole apartment is like a YouTube studio. Oh, you got the engineer pay. Maybe, bro, maybe. I'm out here trying to make more, you feel me? Always trying to strive and make more. Losing track. High turnover rates since on God, I'm on the same wave, dude. You gonna get it. You gonna get it. Trust. I trust and I believe. I trust and I believe. Listen, there's a lot of people that have actually watched the streams, not because of me, but because like, I guess the streams have made them or have kept them accountable and kept them going, that they've actually like genuinely gotten jobs and done, you know, amazing things. And like that is something that I will always be very grateful for, is that I was able to somehow help them very indirectly, whether it was like, you know, through motivation and like pushing them to do it, or just like, you know, providing the streams like this to where you can have them on in the background and just get shit done, dude. Like that's my goal, is just like make sure people get shit done, because that's the hard part, is getting stuff done. Your advice saved me hella time, and I want to say that was what helped me get my first and current job. Yeah, boy, let's go. Let's go, dude. I'm so happy. I know, like, a lot of people like to dump so many things together, you know? And that's hard, is because you want to learn and know everything, but, like, that's not, you know, that's not the most efficient use of your time. Longer than they should. Hey, it be what it be, man. It be what it be. It be what it be. Slash working 5 months ago. So yeah, dude, you on that grind, bruh. You on that grind, you on that hustle. And I'm just happy I could be play some part in it. What is your Valorant rank? My highest rank was Diamond 3. But I don't have a rank currently. Is there a video on your recommended path to start learning coding and getting into it? I haven't made one recently. I have not made one recently. I don't know if I have one on the channel. Have you followed CS50? CS50 wasn't for me. It's a good resource for sure. I just don't think it was for me personally. What's up, Dev? How are you? I'm doing good. I need to come back to the Val streams. Yo, I need to get the Val streams going again. I just haven't been playing Val as much. I've been playing a lot of Overwatch and Call of Duty and Final Fantasy, so that's where a lot of my time's been going. Why not? I don't know. I think it's the way that it's taught. Like, I just don't follow it very well. But at the same time, like, I think I just learn better with other resources. Like, that's just like for me, you know. Like, there's no diss to CS50. I think CS50 is great, and I think a lot of people should actually use CS50. I don't know. It just, for me, it did not click. Chow's a good luck charm, bro. I'm telling you. maybe. Recommended path to start learning coding in it. Honestly, like, I think the recommended path, if I were to give one, is like identify what it is. Like, what projects do you really want to build? Like, do you want to be building websites and web apps? Do you want to be working on databases and APIs? Or do you want to do both? Or do you want to get into data? Do you like data analytics? Stuff like that. Once you identify the things and projects that you actually want to work on and love to do, then I think that will help you identify and find your correct path, and resources and languages that you should know. So I think before you start any of that, like, you need to identify what it is that you genuinely want to use and build. Do you use Vim or Emacs? I've used Vim it was the extent of my Vim knowledge is very, very small, but I don't use it actively. You know, I think it's a cool tool to have and know, but I don't use it actively. As far as Emacs, no, I don't. And make it into a TikTok? You right. Marked, clipped, easy peasy. Oops. Oh, shit. Okay. So I'm going to cut this. Okay, high turnover rate with data scientists. Bro, I need to get a haircut. It's just too long. Shit is way too long. Okay, so we got high turnover rates. What else could go into this intro? Like, we want comp. So there's a demand for that reason. How the lurkers doing in chat? How you guys good? Y'all working on stuff? What are you guys working on? What we doing? What we doing today, huh? What we doing? I know you working on something. I know you there. Experience-based roadmap? Ooh, okay. Manny doing his thing. Manny just doing his thing. Yo, Manny, I can't thank you enough, by the way, for making me think of or making me look at that video in a like a research UX type mindset. Like that really, really did help. I don't think I really converted that well on the video since it's not doing too hot, but I think for future videos, it's really gonna help me. So thank you. That consumes the recipe API from our portfolio. Hell yeah, Jove. Get it, dog. Get it. Playing FIFA till my meeting in 30 minutes. That's funny. You know what I've wanted to do for a long time is like learn how to play chess. So I know how to play chess. I don't know how to play it very well. I've wanted to like for a 5-minute break, you know, just play, or not a 5-minute break, but a small break after some work, just play chess on stream and then just like get back to work. Like I feel like that'd be good for me. Moin moin. Moin moin. Moin moin. Moin moin. Is that close to the sound that you wanted to make? I do like this list too. Very close. Yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So I'm going to keep this current list. Yeah, I like their list better. So that is covering industry demand. Yes, Airbyte.io is the company I do work for. Yes. Do you use them? You might need some more advice. Hit me with it. I just saw your email. That's why. My email? Where'd you see my email? Where did my email pop up? Huh? Nani? In the sidebar? Oh, shit. I mean, I feel like it's public knowledge at this point, so it doesn't really matter. I'm pretty sure you can find it, but oh well. Oh well, now I'm gonna get some more junk mail in my email. Let's go. Notion doxing you. Literally, though. So we're going over the industry demand. What is the average data and engineering salary? Have fun with the 18 plus males? Yeah, I'll try to have some fun. $120K. I feel like that's low for a data engineer, no? What the fuck? I earn 50K euros. What's the conversion of the 50K euros to US? Everybody's great. I work with a lot of people from Astronomer. I actually founded a company with the founder of Astronomer. A lot of peeps over here are keeping their eyes on Airbyte. You guys are doing some really great stuff, and I'm sure it's a great place to work at. Hey, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've actually been looking at Astronomer quite a bit to learn and do some videos on in conjunction with Airbyte, obviously. So that's really cool. That's really, really, really cool. But yeah, if you guys have any questions on Airbyte stuff, just let me know, and I can always bring it back to the team or answer it if I know it. And also, if there's content that you want to see on the Airbyte channels that you would like to see, I would be down to also do that as well. Or if you think that we should be doing something better, like obviously I'm the developer advocate, one of the developer advocates over there, so it's always helpful for me to hear what people in the community, especially people who are using Airbyte, want to see. I think 50K as well, almost. It's fine. I'm 2 years in the business. Yeah, I think comp will come as you get more experience. That's for sure. Like, I'm definitely looking forward to getting more compensation as I progress and learn more and get more experience. Is this gonna break? Oh, nice. Okay, so that's good. This is comp plus business. I don't know what that necessarily means by business potential. I don't know if anyone else could add more insight to like what this could potentially mean. I didn't add this part. So, what do you, anyone who's in the stream right now, what do you think like comp plus business potential means when we're answering the question of why be data engineering at all? Like, I understand the comp part, obviously, but the business potential part, like, I don't really know. My job title is an information security associate, but I'm doing dev work and also being addressed by my team and superiors as a dev because I'm on a 2-man team doing a project in Python. So the question is, how could I start pouring that type of stuff into my resume for my next engineering job, even though it's an infosec title, but with dev work? So I would just like, I would literally just point out exactly what you've done that was considered to you dev work. Like, even if it's infosec, right? Like, did you create a script or some sort of like dashboard or something, right? Like, that required you to code something. Whatever projects that were required to use code, like, just mention that in the resume. Referring to making data-driven business decisions and measuring outcomes. Equity or company outlook, possibly. Okay. Okay, I think I have a better understanding. So comp here is looking like I have to eat soon too. Getting hungies. Right, that was 190 to 150,000. I'm curious what ChatGPT is going to say. What is the business potential of data engineers? Is anyone else using ChatGPT for stuff like this? Hydrate check. Is it still even free? Yeah, it's free right now. Yeah. There's gonna be a free mode and then there's gonna be a pro mode, but I haven't gotten the pro mode yet. I'm still waiting for it to show up right here so I can fucking buy it. But yeah, it's still free. In a research sense, too many, I feel like it'd be very useful, especially if you're looking for like very specific stuff. Oh, dude, this was goated. Like doing cover letter? I think it probably could. Stretch check. Thank you for the stretch check. Oh, motherfucker, dude. This is why I need ChatGPT Pro, man. This is why I need the pro version. You're doing a collab with freeCodeCamp. I guess you could call it a collab, but it's through the job. I can't even talk. It's through the company that I work for. So we're doing like as a developer advocate for Airbyte, we're doing a data engineering specific course that will end up on the freeCodeCamp channel. So yes, it is kind of like a collab for sure. ChatGPT has a pro version. Yeah, it's out, but it's being sent to people in cohorts. So not everybody has access to it. Some people already do. But like if you've been using it and you see like there right here in the bottom left, there will be a section where you can actually buy it for like $42 or $49 a month, which is expensive, but I'm doing it. Or third party research, I can see how it's useful. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so let's just split this into two sections. So this is comp. Turn these. He says professional expense. Oh, I'm 100% expensing it. Do you think it's enough to learn? Yes. Yes. As long as you, dude, what the fuck is this, man? What is this? Will be the course on the website or just YouTube? I think it'll just be the YouTube channel, but I have to double check. But as far as your question on like learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React to land an entry-level dev job, learn those, learn the basics, build with it, get enough projects under your belt, and you'll be good. I like its ability to summarize information and generate ideas, but it can't really do UX research yet, not holistically. Yeah, for sure. There's some things that just can't, that it can't do, but it'll only get better. Seems to have gone wrong. Maybe try getting a little bit same thing, dude. Is ChatGPT down right now? This is exactly why I need the pro version. Ooh, dude. Is trolling people. Please Google what's the meaning of life of everything. Jesus. Just F5. Oops. Is it back? Yes, it's back. Okay. Very cool. Okay. So now we can go in here. These are now bullet points. I'm going to take this as well. I'm going to format this into bullet points just for... Wait, can't Notion do it? Oh, yeah, you can. Okay, I didn't even need to put it into ChatGPT. I fucking dumb, dude. Okay. Whatever. Whatever. This is me just trying to flex how good ChatGPT is, but like sometimes you just don't need it. Also, has the music been too loud or is it chilling? Can't even perform a simple task. Literally, though. Chat GPT is down. I cannot work. Fuck, fuck, fuck. What is happening? Where do you recommend applying? Been applying for 2 weeks, probably 3 digits worth of applications. Nothing comes up. What website have you've been using? I mean, like LinkedIn is one of them. Indeed is another for like job boards. I recommend going on Twitter, like posting that you're looking for a job, or like sometimes people that you follow are hiring on their team. So like that's also a good way. And just looking up the companies that you are interested in working for, like, you know, Airbnb or Netflix or whoever, and like go on their job listings and then apply. As long as you're in, I'm assuming you're in the States, right? But I think you could do that pretty much anywhere. All right, I think ChatGPT is down right now. I'm not Googling that. I don't think there's a reason to. Not down for me is down for me, man. No, I've been on the major job boards, mainly LinkedIn and Indeed. I've come to the point where I'm messaging technical recruiters, still nothing. Yeah, I think it's you gotta keep getting persistent. You gotta keep getting persistent. The hard part right now is I think the market is just like, it's tough right now to hire in this market. And I say that there's still a lot of people getting hired. So like, you just got to keep getting persistent. If you have friends that work at like other places, ask them to refer you if they can. There is also that too, potentially like resumes and portfolio not being sufficient enough. But I would imagine that you'd still get like some email back, but sometimes they take some time to get back to you. I gotta pee again. All right, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. Can you do a resume segment on this stream reviewing mine? I don't think I'd be a proper person to review resumes, since I'm still early in my journey of being in tech, and I've never been in a position to be a decision maker on that for candidates, so I would not be the right person. How many years have you been working as a dev? 2. Do you still have your portfolio website up? No. Although I've been meaning to make a new one. Both years at the same workplace? No. 1 year at Plaid, 1 year, about to be 1 year here at Airbyte. Expands. I like this. The U.S. stock market is where many investors look for opportunities, but it's not. Project aim to develop a significant data pipeline for user sentiment analysis of the U.S. stock market. In short, the project scrapes social media to predict how people may feel about particular stocks in real time. Fun fact, Chow Code's better than he plays Valorant. I think that's a huge kappa. That's a huge kappa. I am way better at Valorant than I do at Code. That's just a fact. It is just a fact. I am not good at programming. Oh, that's interesting. I like this one on analytics with Stack Overflow data. That one's a cool one. Common crawl. Never heard of that. I feel like this is a huge, heavy research section of wait, this might be kind of sick. Recently, a client had a scenario where they have multiple terabytes of data hosted in their object storage on any given day. Okay, this is kind of sick. I didn't know this was a thing, but apparently Common Crawl contains, I don't know what corpus means. collection of written text, especially entire works. Okay. Contains petabytes of data collected since 2008. It contains raw web page data, extracted metadata, and text extractions. This is kind of cool. So we even have updated data here. Huh. I'm going to be teaching the course as well. So this will end up being a video that goes onto freeCodeCamp's YouTube page, which is cool. But right now, like I have the syllabus already written out, or like the syllabus is already out. You teach when you learn. I mean, that's the method I'm using. Celeb in the house. No, not really. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm like in the research phase of all of this, and then we'll get to like actually filming parts of this as well. And I think I'm gonna film it on stream too. Teaching is a great way to learn, low-key. It's kind of exactly why I am doing this, or why like my boss, which shouts out to him for even bringing this up and putting it all together. But he was like, yeah, I think if we had a free code camp course, it's great for me to learn and teach, since most of it will be fresh, and it's going to be good for me. It's going to be good for other people, and it's just great for my career as well. So I think it's going to be really dope. I can watch and be like, I support Chow Stream. Exactly. What's up, Trevi? What's good? What's good? How are you? Welcome to the stream. So he did this in Snowflake. Are we able, do I have it on this machine? Oh, this is PowerShell. Hold on. What's happening? Is it not working right now? Wait, why? Huh. Okay. Well. Let me check something real quick. Just don't want to like dox my credentials here for work stuff. I learned Java when I add custom stuff in Minecraft. Exactly. That's exactly the reason why I'm doing like this free code camp stuff. Like fuck all the people that are like, oh, you're making a free code camp course and you don't even know what you're teaching. It's like, bruh, like that's the point. So I can actually learn this stuff and then teach it. Like that is the point. So like if you're in that boat of like giving me shit for learning and teaching, the fuck out of here. Okay, so that we do have S3 buckets as a source. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. So we can go from S3. So that means we shouldn't learn on the job then, right? Since we should already know everything, make it make sense. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like all those people that are so against that, like are the same exact people that would argue exactly that we should not learn on the job and that like that's frowned upon or whatever. But it's like, bruh, there's no way you're that small-minded. There's no way. Small-minded.
Intel has sent me a piece.
Oops. I meant to check Quarter Jade's YouTube so I can see how her thing is laid out. Like where her chat is. As a former teacher, I can confirm that the best way to learn is to teach. Thank you. Thank you, Corey. Like, it's just the best. And that's what I'm streaming for. Like, literally, all these streams as we're building the freeCodeCamp course is going to be me just learning everything as we go. And there's going to be parts of this that I just, like, do not know. Is this the way? If chat looks like this, is that fine? Or should it be? Should it be on this side? This side right here. I'm trying to decide right now. Obviously, when we record the freeCodeCamp stuff, it's not going to be here, but it's good like that. What's your opinion on that? Seemingly more junior type jobs that ask for 1 year experience when you're self-taught looking for that first job. It's bullshit. If you can prove to recruiters and hiring managers that you have what it takes to already like develop components or build apps and things like that, like the 1 year of experience, throw it out the window. Throw it out the window. Like you should disregard anything that has to do with like any of the years of X years of experience. Just apply anyways. Just go for it. Like the worst thing that's going to happen is they say no. So who cares? What's up, Real Bridge? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. All right. I just had to check something real quick. And I needed to make sure that I was not doxing my credentials for Airbyte Cloud. For entry level and junior roles of experience, it's kind of blah. You don't need to match every requirement. Just go for it and see what happens. Exactly. What about input fields that ask for your experience in years? I don't know. That's a tough question to ask. Like I would put like 0.5 or something like that. 0.5 years, since they only go by years. Like, if you haven't had a year under your belt, then don't say a year. Like, I don't know if like saying a year of learning counts, but like maybe like if you've been studying and building for a whole year, then I would put like 1 year of like freelance. But just hire yourself. It's a good idea. Oh, speaking of, I actually have it's not really a freelance client, but kind of is. I need her to send me something. Staging the S3 bucket directly in Snowflake. Refer to code #stage for SQL statements. I mean, I don't have the SQL statements anymore, but it's kind of cool that they have all this stuff. LinkRun is a data engineering project that ranks the popularity of millions of websites. LinkRun was created within 3 weeks by me during the Insight Data Engineering Fellowship. Processes data from over 2.6 billion web pages. Analyzes all the links present on those pages. LinkRun then counts how many times. See, so the pipeline's super easy. Like, you don't need that much because it's stored in an S3 bucket. So then, ideally, we would have Airbyte here, go to Postgres out in the dash, but... Trying to look for good code examples that they've done here, so that way I can actually. Oh, I just saw one for real estate. Dude, it uses Work Pathfinder. I don't even know what that is. I mean, I can get a data set from Kaggle probably, right? Updated 2 years ago. USA real estate data sets. Price prediction. This one was 4 years ago. This one was 2 years ago. Regression analysis, multiple regression, linear regression prediction. Full remote is a really great thing, especially when tomorrow we normally have a strike in France. What? Really? Thank you for the tier 1, by the way. Thank you for the 2 months. K-Dub. Thank you. I appreciate you. Oh yeah, Manny's your local UX guy. So this one was updated recently, right? Oh no, this was 2 years ago. Call me UX man? I bet. To 2021. This one got a gold. Oh my goodness gracious. What's going on, everybody from the trash raid? I was just about to end. No, just kidding. Hey, my father has subbed to me for 14 months. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Hello, everybody from Trash's stream. I'm Trash's son. The one he didn't know about until, recently, within the last year. So, welcome, everyone. I appreciate you coming through. Thank you for the raid, Trash. I mean, 218. Hey, funny enough, you rated me with a party of 218, and that is the month and day of my birthday. So I feel like it was meant to be. I feel like this was meant to be. This is my child support. 1 sub a month. Congrats on reconnecting. Thank you. I appreciate it. I thank you. Thank you for all the follows. I appreciate it. This was on purpose. I mean, my birthday, it's not my birthday yet, Dad. Like, you forgot already? This man forgot already. It's crazy. Like, bro, I said 218. Is it 218 yet? I mean, it might have passed 218. You know what I mean? By the time, but the month and day, man, the month and day was planned. It's 2:30. That's what I'm saying, dude. It's 2:35. This man thought 2:18. My goodness. My goodness gracious. My own dad forgot. He forgot. Man's out here just saying happy birthday. So you making a course? Yeah. So my manager hooked it up with freeCodeCamp, and so we're making a data eng course. And I'm in like the research phase of it right now. Like this is the so I've got my syllabus right here that we're doing, and essentially what I'm going to do is just go through each of these sections, create demos, figure out how best to like present the topic, what people are gonna learn, and then just record it. So yeah, I'm gonna be on free on freeCodeCamp, dog. Teaching data eng, bruh. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be litty. That's sick. I know. It's pretty dope. So I'm like currently right now I've got like a Kanban board right now on Notion, and then I've got like some notes and scripts that I gotta write, that I'm getting down in resources that I gotta link to. So it's a whole fucking thing, and I'm just gonna stream literally the whole thing. I'm gonna make it live on Twitch. That's the goal, is to just stream the whole process and then just eventually cut it up into one whole thing. And then boom, you got freeCodeCamp course. So it's gonna be dope. You won't be left hungry after this, chat. Oh, that's funny. What are your plans for your gaming channel? Plans for the gaming channel is just, you know, at night when I'm gaming and I choose to stream, I'm gonna just stream, and then if there's any good clips that I get, I'll post them up as shorts and stuff like that. As well as I'm planning on playing like single player games, so like God of War, Last of Us. There are some other games out there that people wanted me to play, and then I'm just gonna play them and then just put like let's plays essentially as long form videos, since I think those are cool. You know, if I like play through Dark Souls and absolutely raged, or Elden Ring and raged, I think that would be really good content. So I'm just trying to challenge myself in terms of like the content that I make, and just trying to become the best creator that I can. And so that's what I'm trying to do right now. And also turning streams into long form content, like just to kill two birds with one stone. Like that's like the best, I think. But yeah, turning all this into a course, and then, you know, finally getting back into coding streams, I think is going to be really, really big, since I miss streaming so much. And I try to find ways to do it, but it's just so hard with like how my YouTube grind has been and how work has been. Like, it's just crazy. Rank are you in OW now? Dude, my ranks in OW are so scuffed, man. I'm gold 5 right now in support. I'm gold 5 in tank. And I'm silver 2 in DPS. So it's pretty scuffed. I used to be plat 1, I think. No, plat. I was in plat for support, and now it's gone. So like I'm trying to get in there. Hit plat 5 with Monsoon. Yeah. She's plat in support right now, which is crazy. Where do I start from 0? What are you talking about? I need more context. Need more context. But yeah, like also Overwatch clips, like those will be things that are on the gaming channel. So that's what it is. And if for those of you that don't know, what we're talking about is so I have my main channel, !YouTube, that's out here. We're doing big things over there. Yeet, I just answered that. I just went through a whole rant of how of what I'm doing. Oh, okay. So I have this channel, and then I have 2 other ones. So I have the Chow Codes VODs channel. So this is where all my Twitch VODs will just immediately go right after we're done streaming. And then the Chow Plays one is where I will have my gaming stuff. So if you want to follow any of these, this is the link for the VODs channel, and this is the link for the gaming channel. LG screen is also good for streaming. Which one? I just got here. Which LG stream? I wish y'all live close to me. I know. I wish we all live close with each other. On the last video. Oh, like this one? It's good for I would say it's good for streaming. For gaming, it's only 60 hertz, so probably not, unless you don't really care about high refresh rate and you're playing like single player games, then sure. I mean, technically true, we don't live that far. We're like what, an hour flight, hour away? How far is the flight from San Jose to Oregon. But you gotta, I mean, yeah, of course. Of course you gotta fly. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I'm actually curious now. Hold on. I don't want to dox my address. I don't want to pull the trash, you know what I'm saying? Uh, uh, San Jose to Oregon. I'm gonna get murdered, dude. That's what I'm saying. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 2-hour flight. It's a 2-hour flight. It's really not that expensive to go either. This is assuming I go for a round trip. But Trash, you're not that far. You're not that far either. Like, if you're in San Diego, this would just turn into like a 3-hour flight. Gets a quick VJJ sucking session in. That's what I'm saying. I got one yesterday, Trash. I definitely got one yesterday. I'm just saying. I'm not to brag or anything, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, should I do a vlog this Wednesday or another technical video? Why not both? Why do you not do both? I saw y'all game it. Yeah, why'd you uninstall, Trash? Why'd you uninstall Overwatch? Just reinstall it, bruh. Wait till you get a girlfriend, I'm gonna steal her from you? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I ain't letting that happen. But here's the thing, True. When I get a girlfriend, like, my time with Jordan is gonna be very, very small. We need the Chalco's crop tops? Nah, if you're not gonna record the scuffed ass vid, Jesus. It's not gonna be scuffed, bruh. Relax. It's gonna be trash. All right. Delete that. Take that out of the recording. It didn't happen. At least booty. Bruh, I'm not gonna make merch I'm not gonna wear. Too late clips. Fuck. True. I should do Mewtwo booty shorts. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, man. It would look real good on Jordan. High key. It would look real good on Jordan. Wait, True, but like, actually though, do the vlog and technical video. Or, yeah, you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. True, listen to me. You do this, all right? You record the vlog. In the middle of the vlog, you record yourself recording the technical video. Like a vlog inception, right? Like you going through your day and how you set up like to do the technical video. You gotta kill 2 birds with 1 stone, you know what I'm saying? You gotta think about these things. Shit. Tropical Juvie is the best. Stop fronting. Tropical. Nah, bro, it's all about kiwi strawberry. But either way, Juvie good, dog. Juvie good. What's up, Jay? How you doing? Somebody write this man a check. Cut the check. I mean, yellow is pretty good. The yellow one is pretty good. All of them are good. Wait, True, you never told me how you liked them. Did you like Juvies? Yes. The green's the best. Yeah, kiwi strawberry is it. That's what I've been saying. Who else has tried Juvie? Raise your hands. And if I got you to try Juvie, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes, I do like that it's not strong. Although like I do like sweet and stuff, but like Juvie is just like Juvie is the right amount. Like it's so good. I was telling you too, True. It's so good. And it goes down really easily. They just do it right. Nate Shot and the fam just do it right. Over at 100 Thieves. Is that the Nate Shot drink? Yeah. I've been working with him for a little bit. It's good, man. It's good. You said with milk. With milk. You cold milk. If you put the kiwi strawberry in milk, bro, it'll change your life. It'll change. I'm telling you. I'm saying you gotta just try it. Don't knock it until you try it. I randomly found Juvie using GoPuff, and then 2 weeks later, I saw you chilling. I bet. Tastes like the pink drink from Starbucks. What does? Look, I wouldn't be advertising and like advocating for Juvie if it wasn't like good. Juvie plus milk? Oh, I've never had the pink. Like the only thing I've had from Starbucks are like normal coffees and then just like black coffee. How many times do you order a month? So I have the luxury of asking to get cases sent, but I would literally order like 3 cases every single month because I down them really fast. I'm like considering getting on their subscription plan on the website so that way I can get cases sent plus more cases sent. You feel what I'm saying? Because I've been like directly like in contact with the Juvie team and we're trying to get something going. So I'm like actively trying to grow. But yeah. If you haven't checked them out yet, I'm telling you, you have to check them out. How much is the subscription? I actually don't know. It's a good question. It's a good question. Hold on. I have a feeling it might show my address if I like do something real quick. Okay, well. Okay, so there are these. So it's $36 a pack or for a 12 pack of each. There's also the variety pack which you could do, which I also think is 36 or something. And so if you subscribe, it's $32 for the whole case. Which isn't bad at all. It's not bad at all. So like I would just maybe get the variety pack since you get all 3 and tell them Chow didn't send me. Bruh, what do you mean? What do you mean? Where are they located? I don't know. They're all over the states, especially in Bevmos. So if you go to Bevmo and stuff, like you can get them. In from British Columbia? Is that BC? I don't know if you can get them there. I don't think you're in Canada. Yeah, I don't think there are. Do you ship? Unfortunately, we do not currently ship. If you are excited about our product and would love to see it locally, please listen to know on Twitter. Let them know on Twitter and let them know that I sent you. Let them know you're interested and that I sent you. Yes, he is very picky. That's funny. Dude, I have to pee so much. Hold on, I'll be right back. Stay put. Stay where you are. All right. What just happened? Whoa. What the hell? Emo only? Bruh, acting like I don't notice. Dude, I don't got that many chatters in this. I don't got that many. I'm not that famous to where like I'm not gonna notice. The hell, dude? I'm about to take away mod real quick. Shit. Fuck you mean? Fuck you mean I wouldn't notice? Slow mode, bro. How famous you think I am? Mega slow. How slow you think I am, bro? $120 is disgusting. Wait, does it actually slow it by 120 seconds? Oh, I didn't know that. I've never had to use slow-mo, so I don't know. I'm not famous like you guys. So I can't really do any of that. I've never had to do slow-mo before. Actually, I've had to do it one time when I was on front page. Just one time. I'm not famous, I'm problematic. Well, yeah, that much I can tell. Fucking emote mode, acting like I won't spam so he won't notice. Okay, so this is clean. Extracting useful. Dude, all this stuff I've got to learn, man. We've got to learn it fast too, because dude, this free code camp thing's got to be quality. It's got to be quality. Like, I'm not kidding around, man. This thing's got to be quality. Lurkers, how we doing? Just checking in on the lurkers. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? They did lambdas, values in the month list. So this is a good, like, we chilling? Good, we chilling. Good. That's what I like to hear. Anybody else just chilling? Enjoying the vibes? Thank you. I try to, if there's anything I could offer, I just try to offer good vibes for people to work to. Get rid of the old lo-fi live channels or playlists on Spotify and YouTube. Just add some chow codes into your life and you can get the exact same results, if not better. Because one, you get the good music. Two, you get me to talk to. Guess I'll be a real mod now. I want to keep my sword. I feel like mod for me is a very loose term. Like, I don't expect you to take your job seriously. Or even be a mod for that matter. It's just a look. You know? Always good vibes here.
Thank you so much, True. Like, it means so much. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea. Like, it's so good.
You made me mod that day though? What day? What day? Was it the day that I was on front page? Because I needed help. I think that day I absolutely needed help. That was the one time. Yeah. Front page day. I wish I saved the VOD. It's Pokimane? Bro, what the fuck? Dude, did you guys see that streamer that like had to go on stream and apologize? Did you see that? Did anyone see that? Mans don't even remember. I mean, I remember now. I know, I didn't save the VOD. That was disgusting, I know. I'm actually using... We're just talking about it? Yeah, it's crazy. Learning and vibing? Heck yeah. I don't even know what that thing is. What thing? It really sound... Wait. What do you mean it really sounded like her? Did they play the video? I know his wife was in. I know, dude. His wife was in the apology. I was like, oh my god, man, that's so bad. Deepfake, never heard of it in your effect. Wait, what? Oh. You think my sound effect sounded like Pokimane? Oh, understood. Awkward as fuck. That's what I'm saying. I felt like she shouldn't have been in there in the apology video. It definitely made it weirder, right? It definitely made it weird. But look, as a streamer, especially if someone of his size or anybody's, like, if you have a big following on Twitch, I feel like you should be very cognizant and aware of like what the fuck tabs you have open. If you do that shit, like, just be careful. I also think the interesting question here is like, deepfake porn is obviously bad, but is consuming it bad? I mean, the same argument / question should also be asked for just regular porn in general, right? I don't think deepfake porn is necessarily like the main culprit here. You know, I think it's just porn in general. It was hard to watch for me. Porn production isn't bad though. In some cases, it is. Deepfake porn is bad. I mean, yes, it's like privacy and all that shit. A famous streamer and showed the tab accidentally on the stream. Oh yeah. It was Pokimane and who else? There was another one. There was a second chick. Like, it's definitely like deepfake porn is definitely bad. Maya. Yeah, I don't know who she is. Unless she goes by a different name, I don't know. Totally, yeah, absolutely. Consensual porn, yeah. It's a whole thing. But like, I don't know. That whole situation was like just bizarre to me. I was just like, bro, how mans get caught like that? Look, that's your fault. But to bring your wife in, man. I mean, I'm sure his wife probably heard about it through Twitter or some shit. And they're going through their whole thing and healing and all that stuff. But man, that is fucked. I don't know how we got here, but that is fucked. I think someone said that the voice changer sounded like Pokimane. I don't think it sounds like Pokimane, does it? Is it bad to watch? I mean, if you're into it, I don't know. Like, I feel like everyone's moral compass always just sways differently, right? It is worse in this case because the deepfakes he watched are of people he knows. He knew him IRL? Oh, fuck, man. That's weird. That's so weird. And the thing is, too, I bet you they didn't even know that this was like a thing. And now that it is, it's probably going to get taken down, right? There's friends. Oh no. Wasn't his thing like he clicked on it because he saw it? But it's like, you can't just stumble on deepfake porn of two streamers that you just so happen to be friends with. I watched deepfakes of child. Gee, there's deepfakes of me? Honestly, I'm flattered. And so one of the women is his best friend's love girlfriend. Oh, no way y'all talking about this. My friend just gave me all the tea 3 minutes ago. Yo, dude, I'm telling you, it's a huge thing. I mean, Jordan, I've been watching Andrew Huberman. He's like a neuroscientist, and apparently like there is like studies that do with like watching porn and it being bad for dopamine, but he doesn't say whether or not watching porn is good or bad. Like, it's kind of like up to you, but there is on a neuroscience level, like it affects your dopamine levels in some way. I didn't really go into it too much, but it might be like too much porn. Who knows? It might be like a prolonged effect of like long-term view of porn potentially. I think it also just like destroys the way that you view men and women, for that matter, of like in like a relationship sense, because you have like these fantasies and shit like that, and it's like, I think one of the conversations was, or one of the topics that he brought up in like his research was like, it's harder for anybody for that matter to like, you know, when they're having sex, it's harder for them to actually like climax or anything, because they're so used to fantasizing about like the porn that they watch and watching someone else have sex instead of them actually going out and doing it. So like there's levels to it. And whether it varies between individuals and their lifestyle and their like, you know, biochemistry and all that shit and genetics and all that stuff. Addiction is also the problem too, right? Because it keeps them from going out to get in relationships, because it's the quick dopamine hits of watching porn, and like, you know, it's accessible. You can watch whatever, you can find whatever you're into. I mean, it depends on the person, right? Bad things that come from it, but the high level porn is bad narrative is generally pretty dumb. I mean, yeah, I agree on some levels. Like, I'm not saying that watching porn is bad. There are negative effects and maybe I mean, I don't know if there's any, like, aside from like, it's like watching your favorite movies, right? Like, you feel good after you watch it, you know? But let's be honest, if you're getting on to page 2, come on. Like, no. Now you're trying a little too hard. You know what I'm saying? Dopamine hits you get from it, hooks you pretty fast. Yeah. Dude, bros, wait, who said they in their heads like this vanilla girl, she ain't trying to get to the dolphin business? Bro, I know. You just like bumping and you be like, bro, this chick's so amateur, bro. She be in the amateur category, bro. Give me that stepbrother shit. Where they at? Do you think, I mean, it's got to be a thing, right? People be asking of like, they be asking their partners to like be a part of their fantasies, like be their stepsister. You think? Because like, I mean, we all know the mature category is bumping, bro. But we all know like incest category stuff actually like so many people watch that shit. Like, oh, stepbrother, I'm stuck under the couch. Help me. Yet the couch isn't even touching her at all. Jordan knows way too much. Dude, the guy does his research, man. It's for educational purposes only, True. Chow wants the realistic version? Dude. Look, I'm not going to comment. But I think it's crazy how girls can ask and it will be okay, but guys can't ask. There's definitely a double standard with that. There is a huge double standard when it comes to that. Like, yeah. It's the whole thing, like, you know, I mean, it's a whole thing where, like, you know, when you're out in public and, like, you try to go help a kid, as a man, there's a higher chance of you being labeled as, like, some pedophile, right? Whereas if a woman went to go do it, like, it's like, oh, she's helping the kid. There's nothing, think nothing of it. You know, it's that kind of thing. Wherein, like, your sole mission was literally just to help the kid because they're crying, their parents aren't anywhere to be found, and you're just trying to like help them find their parents. Like, that's a very specific situation, but it's like the same thing. Ask what? Ask like I'm assuming the ask there was like asking to act the fantasy out. I think like it's weird if I don't know. I think my explanation might have been better. Exactly. If you're an adult doing that shit, dude, you're some sort of pedo. Like you're some sort of, or like you kidnap kids. It's crazy. So now, I mean, I think someone I was watching, or a comedian or someone, was doing a take on that, and they were on the ball. It's kind of hard because you can't go help kids because then, you know, you have to be careful about how people view you in public. And And like if they call the cops or whatever, like you don't want that. Fuck them. Dude, Ace hasn't said a goddamn word at all and just came in hot with fuck them kids. Good God. Good God. Dude, that's funny. That's fucking hilarious. That's fucking funny, man. But yeah, the whole porn thing, I don't know. It's like, I think there's a healthy amount at the end of the day. Like, if you're into the whole shit, fucking do it. Fucking do it. Amaranth does it. And she's making millions and she's happy, if not billions. Kids suck. I love kids. See, I say that and I'm going to get clipped, put out of context, and I'm going to get canceled. But, like, I want my own kids. Like, genuinely. Did they use ggplot to visualize this? No, I think they used NumPy. I don't know what other packages that they imported here. Oh, they use Matplotlib. Chinchilla Chow, that's what I'm saying. Porn is like, you need to survive, but it can also... Dude, Jordan, you know, I read this in an Asian accent in my head, and it works. It oddly works. Like, if I were to say it in, like, a Karate Kid, like, vibe, dude, at the end of the day, did you know that more science came out that Bruce Lee actually died by drinking too much water? Did you guys see that? Also, by the way, someone just followed and their name is Turkey Tickle. I want to say no one can beat them with that name. That is the best fucking username I've ever seen in my life. Turkey Tickle. That is amazing. Water poisoning is a thing, yeah, but I think he went on some like weird diet where he only ate fruits and like drank a bunch of water and he just died. Don't want to be the Bruce Lee of porn and did die beating it, dude. That's what's your record, Jordan? What's your record? Be honest. I mean, we're already here. We're already here. Quantum queef. That's amazing. What course are you working on? Data engineering course for freeCodeCamp. My record is like 1, bro. I'm 1 and done. Dude, okay, do you get tired? You get really tired, right? I don't think there's a man in the world that doesn't get tired. Amateur numbers, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Amateur numbers. You might as well stick to the amateur category, to be honest. If he can't fuck 3 times a night, peace. Yeah. Dude, Jordan don't got that young bull energy. He don't got that young. Hey, yo, if you drank a juvie though, you might go for the. You might be going till the weekend. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You like that plug right there? Pitch him that concept. Yo, I'm dead. He don't have that dog in him. He don't got that dog in him like we do. Dude, my manager's gonna watch this stream, bot, and I think I'm gonna get fired. I was supposed to be working out the freeCodeCamp course. Here we are talking about porn and fucking barking in the mic. Rounds is cool till it starts to be sore. That sounds like a you problem. What's our refractory period? Like how long till the next session, huh? Like what's the cutoff? If you can't go, like, you know, like once the first one's done, right? And we're not even looking at the code anymore. Like we might as well just stay here. Like once you're done, right? Like when ideally do you want to keep going? 20 to 30 minutes? Damn, that's a long ass time. I want nice shirts like Chow. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thoughts on this year for developers this year? What does that mean? Bro said, "Fuck the code." You got like 10 minutes. This okay. This is being. I'm being very serious right now. Is that not normal? I think the times keep going with layoffs and stuff. Like, you know, it's tough, but I think from what I've been seeing on Twitter is that people are seeing better opportunities through layoffs most of the time, I think. But, you know, times keep moving. You'll find your job. People will find their place, things like that. You have like 5-minute breaks. Mine's like 1 to 3 days. Deadass is 10 minutes is regular. Yo, that's okay. So like, dude, you know what I just imagine? It's like Jordan, like literally Jordan will just be like boom, like it's done. And then just like immediately. And he's out for 1 to 3 days. Finding new ideas and problems to solve. Do you have any kind of thought through the workflow you go through? Do you recommend finding? How do you recommend? Sorry, I didn't see the first part. Like, what's the context? Are you trying to find like ideas for content, ideas for projects, or what? Yeah, yes, it was a fully remote position. But yeah, dude, it's like 10 minutes. You know, you're kind of just there, cuddling, talking about whatever, just having a good time, and then all of a sudden, boom. Time to go, 10 minutes. You go again. You know, once it's done for however long that is, then it's just like you wait. If you're feeling it again, you go again. I don't know. This has always been normal. Idea is trying to get better at React Native and unsure what to do to build, honestly. Just build clones of stuff, honestly. It's just the easiest. It's hard to innovate stuff, right? When you get an idea that no one's done, then you can innovate on it. And run it by people to see if people would actually use it. But like, honestly, if you're just trying to build projects and get better at something, just rebuild something that's already been built. Pomodoro Ossack, dude. They ain't gonna complain either. Nah. Unless you've got this fucking gigantic ass fucking stick that hurts, dude. That hurts, they ain't gonna want it. They ain't gonna want it. On God. Building a project that are clones of existing sites is the deep fake porn of the oh fuck, dude. Oh my God. Okay. Dude, why you gotta do that to him, bro? Now he's not gonna do it. Dude. Don't listen to Jordan. You're not making deepfakes. Unless you decide to make a deepfake mobile app, don't do it. What if I'm into it? Then it's fine. Just make sure it doesn't end up on the App Store. You Gucci, dog. You Gucci. Do you. Hey, at the end of the day, do you. Okay? Do you. Don't listen to Jordan. Don't listen to me. But like, if you're into deepfake stuff, you're into deepfake stuff. We ain't gonna stop you. We can't stop you. Dude, I should just name this course deepfakes. I should do my code demos and stuff on deepfakes. It's the hot topic right now, is it not? Is it not? I'm writing that down. Oops. Just remember closing the tabs after. Oh, dude, I got you. This is for research purposes only. Research purposes only. Just not on the work PC? Bruh, nah, never. Deepfakes engineering? It's gonna be the next thing. I promise you. I came for some free code camp. Now I'm leaving with porn on my mind. That dude, I want to see Pornhub's traffic. Can we see maybe an uptick in traffic after the stream ends? You know? I think we can make some good Google AdSense money off that potentially, you know what I'm saying? Asking for a friend? That's actually a good question. Does someone want to do some research on that? Does Pornhub have some, you know what? I want to check Kaggle. They do? What would someone use an API from Pornhub? Like, what would that be? Also, imagine doing like a YouTube tutorial on that. You'd have to blur half the shit that you see. I'm gonna head out though. Been fun. I'll stop by tomorrow, bro. See you, chat. All right, Froyo. Have fun in the bathroom. I mean, the rest of your day. Don't have too much fun. Don't have too much fun. Like 90%. Yeah, that's probably true. That's probably more factual. That is probably more factual. I'm going to the mall, sir. Yeah, if that's what the kids are calling it nowadays. Hey, if that's what they're calling it nowadays, let it be. Let it be. I ain't judging you. I ain't judging you. You do you, dog. You do you. Whatever you're into, man. Whatever you're into. Went from beating I can't even speak English. Went from beating the debugger to beating his meat. Respect. Dude, respectfully. Dude, what is my chat right now? I feel like I'm the only, like, I have the only community where we can go from talking about something real to something, or to just porn and beating meat and Jordan's ass. Like, it's kind of crazy, you know? I don't know how we do it every single time, but we do it. Like, I'm kind of impressed with us. I'm actually highly impressed with us. Porn is real. Oh no, look, I'm agreeing with you. Porn is real. I saw one of those strange addiction episodes where homeboy could not stop beating his meat. He was like on date. Dude, someone died. Someone died trying to go for the world record. I'm pretty sure, right? Like, he tried going for the world record and like just like died the day after. I mean, at what point? At some point, it's not fun. L dick, bro. Dude, all right, I'm going on incognito window for this. Hold on. Dies from masturbating too much. Do you have a discount code for Juvie? I do not. 42 times. Oh wait. I saw the strange food addiction episode where someone was eating bar soap. What? Bro, no. Okay, so a teenager allegedly masturbated a jaw-dropping 56 times non-stop before dying of a heart attack. Oh yeah, this is the one. In the process, even breaking the world record, and was awarded a world record certificate by Guinness representative who later arrived at the home. It is, dude, what? I saw one where someone would eat the ashes of like their spouse. Dude, that's disgusting. That is disgusting. Best Juvie flavor or variety pack? I like the kiwi one, the green one. But they're all good. All of the flavors are very, very good. Like, they hit. Who can you even share that record with? Though that's kind of weird. Well, yeah, I don't know. People are wild. That's what I'm saying. Imagine watching some kiddo masturbating 42 times to verify. Yeah, he's just sitting there with his like clicker, like to count all the times. Oh my god, dude! Listen to this. Listen to this. Police arrived at the home about an hour after Miss Carpenter called them. Officer Dean Marrow told Holtzler reporters what they saw when they opened Jerome's bedroom door. This is all a quote. The young man was on his bed. His penis was detached from his body. It must have been so intense, it just came off his body. We found his penis gripped in his left hand so tightly, we couldn't get it out. It was tragic. What? Bro. Also, left hand? I'm most hyped for the kiwi. I love the strawberry kiwi Snapples. Yo, let's go. Constantly, do you have a Twitter? It would actually help me a ton. It would actually help me a ton. Like if you posted it on Twitter, like shout out to Outcodes for putting me on or something like that. Or something that has like my name on it. Like, so it would genuinely help me. I got you, dude. Thank you. Yeah, if any of you in the chat has actually bought in Juvie because you saw it from me or whatever, like it would help me a lot. Nice tats. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm actually going to get more. I'm getting another tat next month. I'll be in Singapore for 9 days with my best friend, and we usually get tattoos when we travel. So I'm going to get another one. I just need to figure out what the hell it's going to be. I have no idea what it's going to be yet. Leftist for foreign experience. Exactly. Imagine how clogged that guy's shower drain was. He was found in his room, dude. He was doing it in his room. He was doing it in his room. Like, dude. Nah, at me. You can at Juvie too if you want. At Drink Juvie. That actually would work. That would work. At Drink Juvie, at me. You don't need to at Nade. Nade's not gonna see. Probably not gonna see it. That's crazy, bro. Like, imagine. And supposedly he was experiencing depression because of being extremely lonely. So like that's what caused him to do this. Like it was crazy. Like it sucks, but man, had stiff socks. Yo, imagine the smell. Not dead body smell. Because obviously they probably found it before he started decomposing or anything. But like, imagine the smell from that. That is rank, dude. Rank. What would the gravestone say on it? He died doing what he loved. I don't know if that's too crass or not, but that's what I would put. Die hard? Damn, man. Dude, this guy's a teenager. It's kind of fucked that we're doing this, huh? Thanks for the stretch check. Oh, my fucking chest just popped. Dude, it's 3:30. I need to eat. I haven't eaten anything. I have not eaten anything. Look, I like how Jordan has retired from streaming, but he's still very much alive in the Twitch community. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! But dude, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that whole. I think this is the first stream I've watched in like 3 months of mine or in general. Because if you're talking about it in general, I'm flattered. Damn. In general, I'm flattered. I'm flattered. Dude, there's no way that like you'd like tuning into my streams though. Like unless I think I remember you saying that you don't like super technical stuff because then you get super like in your head. Or not in your head, sorry. You like you start talking about shit like or having some sort of like thoughts about it. I backseat. Yeah. That's what I remember. Technical stuff, boring as fuck. Yeah. I just like talking about porn and shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. This is the best. You have one of the best chatting streams. No cap, no kizzy. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Man has an epiphany every time. Hey, man, I thought you was about to go to the mall. What happened? I told you was staying home. It's weird that you got my stream on with porn up. Froyo, what the fuck is happening? Huh? You tell me. What's happening over there? I'm worried about you. What's good, young doggy? Oh wait, he said young doggy. He's running deep fakes off. Oh shit. Hey, good thing you only see this side of my face and not this side. You don't get the other side unless you mirror it. Just got off work and everything. Yo, that could be taken out of context. That's all I'm saying. I joined for the freeCodeCamp course. Wow, that's really hard to say. Yo, say that out loud. freeCodeCamp course. Oh, that was easier. And I stay for the porn shit. Hey, honestly, that should be my bio. Come for freeCodeCamp, stay for porn. And by come, I like, it's just CUM. I'm waiting for my OG. I was ready. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I'll meet a homie, huh? Dude, this stream gets soggy real fast. I ain't gonna lie. This stream gets soggy. But it's like kind of fun though. Like if I could only just do just chatting streams and it do these numbers, I would do it. I would 100% do it. Cause there's people, dude, we could look through this shit. We could look through this shit together as a family. Like, okay. Just chatting is the 4th most watched category right now. Oh wait, this is recommended. I'm capping. It's the most watched category right now. Okay? I'm surprised. Is Valorant? Oh, I thought there was a. I mean, I could. You have potential. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. We get these interesting topics to talk about. Like, let's go do this. Dude, come on. Like, this guy's just watching YouTube videos. Oh, he's just in Portuguese. Like, just watching YouTube videos, looking at articles, bro. Like, watching YouTube videos. Like, I feel like I could be good at this. Like, oh, man. Just reaction streams? Yo, but here's the thing. Again, I'm experiencing this on my other social medias too, is that like my old niche was like coding, not old, it's still the niche, but like coding and setup stuff. Now I'm like pivoting, doing a little bit more gaming and stuff like and lifestyle, but it's like my content is not like reaching people. I love how people call Portuguese Spanish, but I mean, you can tell when it's Portuguese and when it's Spanish. Was I wrong? Is that not Portuguese? I feel like most of the time the streamers are from Brazil. Like, there's not a lot of like Spanish streams. Oh, that's Spanish? Fuck. My bad. Like, if I go to my Instagram right now, let me see. How did this reel do? Not well at all. And if I go to the insights, yeah, it reached 100 people that aren't following. So like my reach right now is just shot to death. But like if I were to only stream reaction streams, I wouldn't pull these numbers that I do with Software Eng. Like it just wouldn't be. It wouldn't be that. It wouldn't be these numbers. Unfortunately, I would love it to be this way, but I mean, I just got to stream more, obviously. But like, these are fun. We could watch YouTube videos. You could go over like dumb shit like this, like news, reacting to news, especially in the Twitch gaming community, because there's all kinds of drama in here. But man, look at these numbers they're pulling, bro. Look at the numbers. Who are they? That was kind of mean. I'm sorry. They're probably really nice people. Some of them. I don't know if it's a majority. You'd be getting another type of audience and growing it? Yeah, for sure, for sure. I mean, I'll always use the stream though as like a coding outlet though, just because that's how it started. That's how I want it to be. And if we want to expand that and grow more into other realms, then we can do it. Where is the software and game dev in this? Not anywhere here. Is this like really a category? Animals, aquariums, zoos? Dude, fuck zoos. Zoos are awful. Where's software and game dev? Damn, this shit is low. We are in the gulag. Damn, I want to play Warzone now. Remember when we used to stream in science and technology because we didn't have software and game dev? Discover Luna? I don't know. Oh. I think Luna is their cloud gaming thing. The attention span of a peanut. Most people don't like software and game dev. Yeah. Oh, George Hotch is streaming. Nice. Where are we? Oh, this is science and technology. I'm dumb. Yeah, we used to stream in science and technology, bro. Before we had this. The boy CM is on. Here I am. LL Cool Crease. Nice. Oh, I like this. I like that setup. I wish I need to bring this back. That's fucking sick. I love that. That's a fucking vibe and a half, dude. Is he not showing his code though? That guy is Brazilian? Yeah, I can see that. What is your setup? You can find it on Instagram. Instagram or see, I like this. Oh, he's just playing music too. I need to do more stuff like this, huh? I like his wide view. I used to have a setup where my camera would be behind me and you get to see the whole stream and stuff. What is your problem with Brazilians? I don't have a problem with Brazilians. Let's not start something that I never said. It was just that I saw a stream that was Spanish and I misidentified it with Portuguese. I have no problems with Brazilians. We're just stating the fact that that is Brazilian. Anyways. All right, chat. I think I need to eat and I need to get ready to do some other stuff right now. Right now? I'm a Brazilian? Nice. I used to hate playing against Brazilians in CSGO because they were so fucking good. Yeah, problems with Gamerians though? Gamerians? Yeah, I have a problem with you, Todd. I have a problem with you. You know why I have a problem with you? Because where the fuck have you been? I'm a gold stealer. I've been slump as fuck. Do you work every day, Todd? Hydrate check. Make sure you're drinking your waters. 5 days a week, damn. So we not gonna see you that much, man. We ain't gonna see you that much, are we? Don't tell me I ain't gonna see you. Had a day off Sunday and I was slumped. Oh, dude, I feel you. Thanks for reminding. Of course, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'll pass not trying to die today. Oh man, that's funny. Don't worry, Todd. It'll get easier though. It'll get easier. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're taking care of yourself. What camera is that? Holy. This is a Sony A7 Mark III with a Sigma 20mm 1.4. I can see every hair you got on that chin. Oh man, yeah, I love the camera has been really good for me lately. So, and it's being compressed down to from 4K to 1080p, so it's looking good. I like the way it looks, and the bokeh is just pristine. It's pristine. All right, y'all. We've been streaming for 3 hours, so a solid stream today. If you don't follow me on YouTube, you should. Hold on. Does my socials work? So those are all my socials. Does this YouTube link still work? Oh, my YouTube link doesn't work. Okay. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I gotta eat some. Does my YouTube channel work? There you go. Okay, so you could do that one. That one works. So you can follow me on YouTube. And like I said, there are 2 other channels that I have now. So I have the Child Codes VOD channel, which you can find. Hold on. You can find my VOD channel here, so you can rewatch this whole VOD. I'm going to download it right after the stream and then start the upload. And I'm going to start doing that hopefully consistently. And then this is the link to my gaming channel that I just started. Todd, if you're still here, you're actually featured in the first short on that one. So make sure to follow me there for all gaming stuff. I'll start doing some single player games, story-based games, and playing that on stream and then uploading them to YouTube. I should be back online tomorrow. Yes, I should be back online tomorrow for a little bit after some meetings. I believe I have meetings tomorrow. Let me see. Yes, I have some meetings tomorrow. Maybe I'll stream them. Who knows? And then get back onto the freeCodeCamp grind. And yeah, we'll keep this going. We'll keep this going now that we've got the wheels in motion. But anyways, guys, I am going to hop off. Everybody have a great rest of your day. I'm going to run an ad or two. Probably just one ad. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all potentially and probably tomorrow. Deuces!